All right, so I've had this JLT oil separator for about 100 miles now. It takes from the PCV valve, the positive crankcase ventilation valve. Generally, from the factory, they'll reposition it back into the intake, and it'll get burned through your valves and your upper valve train. Well, with the oil separator, it now goes through this canister, condenses in a stainless steel baffle, and then the vapors and the gases collect at the bottom, and then the air goes back into the intake, clean. Let's see what it looks like after just 100 miles. You can see that is what it has collected. Now that will normally go back into your intake, and with the direct injection engine will cause very, very many problems on your valves because you don't have fuel wash like you do in a port injection. So these are definitely worth it if you have direct injection.